Hey guys, what's going on? Adrian here with Mckaig Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas, and I'm just gonna do a little quick tutorial on something that everybody asks me. Like, you know, when you buy a brand new truck, you always go here and you find this extra wires just hanging in your glove compartment. You're like, what the heck is this, right? Now, what this is, and this is what I've been told, is it actually goes to your module on the wheel of the vehicle, and it is so you can hook up to your trailering that you can buy an aftermarket. You know, those little boxes that go underneath the steering wheel. So this right here hooks up to the truck, and this wires hook up to that trailering module. And this is what will allow you to hook up a trailer that has air braking or electric breaker. So again, if you have one of these on the truck, now you know what it is. All right, guys, if you have a question, give me a call. My number is 903-746-4630. Have a good one.